forehead is small.
Alright. Hey my loves, jumping right into this video. This wig is by Chantiche Lace Wig, and I hope I am saying that correctly. It just sounded like one of my homegirls I went to high school or middle school with or something. But the wig did come with some lashes, and it did come with an adjustable band inside of the wig. So the wig does come in the Ziploc bag. The wig is a straight wig. I'm not exactly sure of the texture, if it's like Brazilian or Peruvian or whatever, but I will leave that down in the description box below. Um, this wig did come with soft lace, of course. It is a human hair wig, 100%. And it does, like I said, have that adjustable bands. It has, let's see, three combs in the front. And, yep, three combs in the front. And then there is one in the back, in the nape of the wig, and it's pretty long, which I absolutely love. And then there are adjustable straps as well. So I really love that this has an adjustable band already put into the wig. So yeah, and it does come with the actual specs of the unit on the tag as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on my little styrofoam head here and just show you the hairline straight out of the packaging. I was really, really impressed with this hairline. I had never heard of this company before. So when they reached out to me, I was a little bit scared, but I am really, really loving the way this um, wig turned out and just how it turned out on my client as well. So you guys really have to let me know what you feel about this unit. I'm not going to talk too much throughout this video, just because it's going to be kind of a longer video, because I'm kind of going into detail how I apply units to my clients. So there's a million videos on how I do it to myself, but it's a different story when you are applying a wig to a client. So this that is the unit, and yeah, I already have my client braided down. I usually do 10 braids in the front and 5 braids in the back, depending on how thick my client's hair is. So, yeah, sometimes I will do more if my client's hair is thicker. So, yeah, I'm just going to use a nude cap. You can get these on Amazon. I will try to leave a link below if you don't find them in your local beauty supply store, because I usually can find them there. But, yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and adhere the cap. I'm doing the bald cap method, of course. Usually when I'm applying wigs to my clients, I usually do the bald cap method unless I am doing a closure wig. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and adhere that with the Got to Be Blasting Free spray, and I'm going to use my the Glamazon method with the cutting the holes in the ears. I think this is super convenient and a really good tip to use when doing the bald cap method. So I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, spray that Got to Be gel and go ahead and use my blow dryer to adhere that to her head, and you will see me cut the excess band off in the front. And then you will see me apply the unit. So what I'm applying the unit with is the Esha firm, not the firm, but the not the firm, but it's the absolute glue. And yeah, I do 2 layers of that, and 2 layers seems to do well with my clients. I've only had one client that this glue did not react well with her, but on all of my other clients, this glue really does work well. This particular client on this video, she works out pretty heavily, so, and she said that she had no issues with this glue at all. So definitely check it out. I know that you guys can get this glue at your local beauty supply stores, or you can get it on Amazon as well, or eBay. So definitely check out online, and definitely check your local beauty supply stores for that. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My client absolutely loved this unit. She loved the application. She loved how long it lasted. The glue, the wig, it's absolutely gorgeous. So I will be reapplying this unit. If you guys want an update, make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram at Deanna_Marguerite. I will leave that in the description box below. So definitely, when you have a chance, type that into your search bar on your on your IG, and you can follow me there. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, all of that good stuff. Subscribe if you haven't done so. And I will see you queens in my next video. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I pray for you guys often. Love you guys. Deuces.
That's my lil' bae, she about her pay. She stay out the way, that's my lil' bae. Oh, she fucking slay when she come out to play, that's my lil' bae. She about her pay, she stay out the way, that's my lil' bae. Oh, she fucking slay when she come out to play. She got them curves, and she hit niggas with curves. Bout her bread, but she ain't nothing like you birds, that's my word. Wouldn't trade her for the world, that's my girl. My lil' squirrel, swallow nut, fat butt, no gut. We just smoking fuck, me and baby tough. I was down and she held me down till I got back up. Real bitch, realer than these niggas, love expensive dinners. She ain't no beginner, born 2nd December. We a perfect match, built this up from scratch. We gon' run up racks, we gon' run in sacks. Make her come, then she come again. She gon' double back, like her pick on the gram. Only way you double tap, that's my lil' bae. She about her pay, she stay out the way, that's my lil' bae. Oh, she fucking slay when she come out to play, that's my lil' bae. She about her pay, she stay out the way, that's my lil' bae. Oh, she fucking slay when she come out to play, that's my lil' bae. That's my lil' bae. That's my lil' bae. She about her pay, she stay out the way, that's my lil' bae. Oh, she fucking slay when she come out to play. Got a Chanel and a Birkin. She look good in person, no concealer or a filter. Say what's on her mind, no filter. I'm a king, that's my queen. She gon' get a ring and some kids in a palace with a pool just to live. We be taking trips, she be taking dick, making flicks. When we watch it back, she be talking shit. She ain't switch, we gon' eat. I won't cheat, pussy deep, ass peach. She a freak on the beach, out of reach. I'm on that Patron, she be on that J-Mo. Real niggas only, she don't do no lame-o. Ex niggas sick, but shit, that's how the game go. I do anything for bae, just like I'm Django. That's my lil' bae, she about her pay. She stay out the way, that's my lil' bae. Oh, she fucking slay when she come out to play, that's my lil' bae. She about her pay, she stay out the way, that's my lil' bae. Oh, she fucking slay when she come out to play, that's my lil' bae. That's my lil' bae. That's my lil' bae. She about her pay, she stay out the way, that's my lil' bae. Oh, she fucking slay when she come out to play, that's my lil' bae.
But we more than just friends, oh. This is too much, too much. I know I done screwed up. Thought it was true love. You left me unplugged, so just let me go on my way. Find me in bed, move to the baseline. I'm so done with these games, I'm tired of play. You loving that playtime. And now you feel stupid, like a idiot. I ain't giving you my heart, just feel like it back. I ain't giving you my love, I ain't giving that. I hope you okay with knowing you brought the limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down. We used to lay up every night, used to catch a little vibe. Driving through the five, you know it feels right. Yeah, but what happened to this? Every other day we back at it again, oh. You said we only friends, but baby next minute you tell me reach the ends, oh. This is too much, this is too much to handle. I've had enough, I just need time for that. I feel stupid, like an idiot. I ain't giving you my heart, just feel like it back. I ain't giving you my love, I ain't giving that. I hope you okay with knowing you broke the limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down. You have to make up your mind, 'cause time after time, you don't know what you want inside. And I'm getting so tired of trying and shine when you haven't made up your mind. I had to let go, let go. I hope you ain't upset, oh, sad, oh. I treated you so special, special. I really had to get gone, get gone. And even though I don't know what's in store, I know that I still want something more. And now you feel stupid, like an idiot. I ain't giving you my heart, just feel like it back. I ain't giving you my love, I ain't giving that. I hope you okay with knowing you brought the limit down. The limit down, 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 the limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. Limit down, limit down. Limit down. What happened to this? Remember all them days when the passion was in out. Now we at it again. You told me that we wasn't, but we more than just friends. Oh, this is too much, too much. I know I done screwed up. Thought it was true love. You left me unplugged, so just let me go on my way. Find me in bed, move to the baseline. I'm so done with these games, I'm tired of playing. You loving that playtime. And now you feel stupid, like an idiot. I ain't giving you my heart, just feel like it back. I ain't giving you my love, I ain't giving that. I hope you okay with knowing you brought the limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down. We used to lay up every night, used to catch a little vibe, driving through the five. You know it feels right. Yeah, what happened to this? Every other day we back at it again. Oh, you said we only friends, but baby, next minute you tell me reach the ends. Oh, this is too much. This is too much to handle. I've had enough. I just need time for that. I feel stupid, like an idiot. I ain't giving you my heart, just feel like it back. I ain't giving you my love, I ain't giving that. I hope you okay with knowing you brought the limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. The limit down. You have to make up your mind, 'cause time after time, you don't know what you want inside. And I'm getting so tired of trying and shine when you haven't made up your mind. I had to let go, let go. I hope you ain't upset, oh, sad, oh. I treated you so special, special. I really had to get gone, get gone. And even though I don't know what's in store, I know that I still want something more. And now you feel stupid, like an idiot. I ain't giving you my heart, just feel like it back. I ain't giving you my love, I ain't giving that. I hope you okay with knowing you brought the limit down. The limit down, 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 the limit down, limit down. The limit down, limit down. Limit down, limit down. Limit down.
was so bomb.